Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce legal document fees with LegalZoom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the LegalZoom website. On the homepage, navigate to the Start Your Business section. Select the type of legal document you need. Review the available options carefully. Click on the document type that suits your needs. You will be directed to a page with detailed information about the document. Take your time to read through the features and benefits. Look for any discounts or promotional offers displayed. Next, click on the Get Started button to proceed. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill out the required information in the online form. Be thorough to ensure accuracy in your submissions. Once complete, review your information for any mistakes. Proceed to the Payments section to view fees. Here, you may find options for filing fees or additional services. Consider selecting a lower-cost option if available. Check for any add-ons that might be unnecessary for your needs. After finalizing your choices, confirm your order. Wait for confirmation of your document preparation. Once ready, review the document for completeness and accuracy. If needed, consult LegalZoom support for questions. Finalize your document and download it directly from your account. Make sure to save a copy for your records. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your legal document fees using LegalZoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.